Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find stickers and emoji settings on your account on Telegram. Easy and quick. First click on these three lines and now click settings. Now click chat settings and now here you'll find it stickers and emoji settings. Click on it and here you can manage your settings. You can manage your stickers and emoji settings easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.